All right, everybody, we are at BCMC, and I am standing with Jordy Puchinger from Moducore. Jordy, how you doing, man?
Good, Dave. How you doing?
Good. How's the show been for you?
Good. It's our first year here at BCMC. It's Moducore's entry into the component industry, and I couldn't say that. I was not expecting this. It's a completely different show, and these folks know technology, so I don't know. I feel at home here, and I'm excited. I'm excited to come back next year, actually.
Every year I've been to the show, especially since COVID, it just seems like people are here to do business. It's much different. It's not entertainment. You know, you have all of those things, which are great, but there's a lot of business happening here and a lot of educational classes. So that's what I love. Moducore, you guys are growing, right? I mean, you came out of the gate a couple years ago. You have a lot of interest happening here in your booth and what you guys are doing. Tell us a little bit, for those that don't know who Moducore is, what Moducore is, and where you're headed.
Yeah, Moducore is, we're the agnostic operating system for the offsite industry. So what I mean by that, you know, we've got a lot of manufacturers and software companies out there that are talking and communicating directly with equipment today, and there's a lot of interest and a lot of desire to better manage my inventory, manage labor better on the floor, manage my maintenance more. You know, these are all things that are native in our platform. We're cloud-based, so it's easily accessible on the shop floor or in the factory or at the job site, really wherever you're at. So there's, you know, it's a different kind of technology, and I think for the component industry here, what's exciting for me is, you know, looking at modular folks, we're talking about, you know, automation and robotics and equipment, and we step into this environment and that's all you see. That's all you see, right? So it's exciting that, you know, I feel like we've arrived to a degree, right?
It's validating.
All that technology that folks have been looking for and we've been talking about for years.
Right.
It's, you know, it's welcomed in this room, and I'm excited to, I think, you know, the whole idea that we have of bringing the component world, the modular world, helping these folks come together and work together, you know, I don't think that is actually that far out.
I don't think it's that far out either. When you come here, think about it. Every modular, right, if you were looking at that, is built of components. This is where the components are. These are where the wall panels are. These are where the trusses are, right? I mean, these are all the systems, to include the robots, are all here. And I think it's really picking up, and year after year we see more and more of it.
It's been great. And, you know, there's companies like MyTech and Simpson, they've got new equipment here. You know, we're seeing lots of safety stuff coming out on the equipment, which, you know, up in Canada where we're from, that's very important. So, I mean, you know, I feel like everybody, that we're all moving in the right direction at this point. So, yeah, I'm excited. I'm really looking forward to next week, IWBC, and, you know, hanging out in the component world a little bit more and getting to see more of the players, I guess.
All right, so Jordy, how do people get a hold of Moducore, get a hold of yourself?
You can find us at moducore.com, moducore.com. You can, on our website, on social media, whether it's LinkedIn or Twitter or Facebook, but by and large, I mean, we're at all the industry trade shows, and you can find us online. And
if you can't find them there, just ask me, I'll put you in touch.
Dave, absolutely, absolutely.
Jordy, thanks, man. Appreciate it. There you have it, everybody. If you can't see him here, you can find him in Washington, D.C. next week. We'll see you there. Bye now.